Today, I'm gonna show you a Japanese sandwich that's gonna make you never look at carbs the same way again. That's right, we're making the high carb Japanese sandwich, Yakisoba pan, or fried noodle sandwich.
All right, so for Yakisoba pan, it is completely easy. All we're gonna need is some hot dog buns like this, your yakisoba, ginger, parsley, and mayonnaise. And these are all optional too, except for the yakisoba. So what we're gonna do is just take our hot dog bun, and we're not going to toast this. That would not be the Japanese way. Just open it up and just put your yakisoba in. And for yakisoba recipe, you can just click the link below. I have my yakisoba recipe in there. But what I've done today is I've used the same recipe. I've just taken out all the meat and I've taken out all of the vegetables too. This is the simplest way. This is most likely what you'd see if you came to Japan. And it's just simply this. It's a sandwich full of yakisoba, just like so. We're gonna try and stuff this thing as much as we can. We're just gonna really get it in there. We have 3 hot dog buns here, but we're gonna see if we can fill them all up. So there we go. That's one yakisoba pan right there. And we're just gonna put that bad boy off to the side. And then we're gonna do the same thing with these 2 other buns. Just grab a handful of this yakisoba. Don't worry, mess it around, mess it up, really get in there. And then just stuff it like this. So yeah, there we go. Just gonna keep that one right there. If we have more yakisoba left over later, we'll do that. There we go, number 2. And let's see if we can get number 3. All right, so let's do that again. So this would be the traditional yakisoba pan that you see like everywhere too. Not, as I said, not fried buns, but that would be another way to stuff it up, I think, if you want to try something new and different. But this is like the traditional one that you're going to see everywhere. Supermarkets and grocery stores and convenience stores and things like that. All right, we got it? I think this is it. Let's get that last little bit radical. All right, there's our 3rd yakisoba pan. That looks phenomenal. So then we're just gonna put that off to the side. I'll just put it right here in the middle. What we're gonna do next, the more traditional way, is all we're gonna do is just put some pickled ginger. Here we are, this is pickled ginger. This is beni shoga. And again, you can make this, just watch my recipe down below, the links below. And then all you're gonna do is this, just put it right in the middle. And let's see if we can get that on there. There we go. That's it. That is yakisoba pan right there in a nutshell. So this is a crowd pleaser. Hopefully it pleases you guys. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do another traditional one actually, because this is my favorite. But what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna take our Kewpie mayonnaise. And some of you might hate me for this, but I'm just gonna put some mayonnaise on it like this. Yep, here we go. All right, here we go. I'm actually gonna do it for the other one too. Don't hate me. Here we go. Oh my gosh, number 2 too. Oh, wonderful. All right, there, we're done with our Kewpie. I'm gonna throw some ginger on this one. Let's see if we can get the rest of our ginger. I don't wanna waste anything. Stuff. It's pretty easy to make though, honestly. Here we go. Number 2. And then here we just have some parsley. I'm just gonna throw some parsley on here. You can do parsley, you can do aonori, which is a seaweed. That's like more common, but I just wanted to throw some parsley on this one actually. And there we go. Just throw those off to the side. And here are 3 yakisoba pans for you. So, there you go.
And that's yakisoba pan. I know what you're thinking, carbs on carbs? I was thinking the same thing too when I first came here, but I tried it and it was kind of life-changing. But today's toppings might not be for everyone. So whatever you try, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.